This is Ras Joel, and I'm up next.
Ras Joel, welcome to the show.
Greetings.
Alright. So Ras Joel, right away, just tell viewers where you hail from and a little about your background.
I hail from Kingston, Jamaica, and I've been in music for quite a while now, and to the level of Bob Marley and otherwise, Black Horo, all those people. So I'm about to launch myself now.
Okay.
Yeah.
So why you take so long? You're about to launch yourself and you did about a long time.
Well, I did it in the foreground, observe what's happening and wanted to come in, but I just see the opportunity,
How did you get started in music?
Well, it's years ago. I don't know if you are familiar with Cedric Brooks. You know Cedric Brooks. All right. Well, from those days in the 70s, I moved in a house next door in Vineyard Town, next to Cedric Brooks, and hear them rehearsing all the time and loving the drum, and we became friends, and that's where it started.
Who do you say are some of your musical influences and why?
Well, it would have to be Bob Marley, and it's because of we are on the same channel, we could say, we view things in the same way, a lot of things. So, and then after that, starting with Cedric Brooks, I've started to work with Total Sound Recording Company, which at the time was angling Bob Marley and other artists, but Bob in particular. And so Bob had to come to the office sometimes, so we became friends after a while,
So you and Bob actually had a friendship?
Yeah, man, definite. To the point where he did a concert for me at National Arena, International Year of the Rasta Child.
What year was that?
I think it was 79, I think.
How do you describe your style of music? What makes your music different and unique?
Well, I don't think it's different. I just reggae music, but the lyrics and the way you put it together, that's how you get the flavor.
New releases and projects. Tell us about some of the new releases you have out now and the projects that you're currently working on.
Well, new releases would be. I did the last time I performed, recorded was in the Mandela. So I did a song named Give Me the Machine Gun, Make a Free South Africa. And it did quite well and was, respected by a lot of people. And it's still on YouTube right now today,
Some of the younger generation here.
Give me a machine gun and make a free South Africa. Yeah. Give me a machine gun and make a shoot them down. Give me a machine gun, I wanna free South Africa. 'Cause as it stands, there's no peaceful solution. Yes, as it stands, violence, there's no peaceful solution. Yeah.
All right, Ras Joel. So, tell us where we can find you on the socials.
Well, to the latest arrangements that go on, the first tune this me I put out, yeah.
And what is this tune entitled?
Peace to the world.
Peace to the world.
Yeah.
Tell us a little about what that song is talking about and why you decided to do such a song.
Well, it had to do with what's happening in the world now. And, me just get a vision and say, me put together what me see happening and and record it and put it out.
Yeah. What has the feedback been like though, so far?
The feedback has been positive, very positive, to the point where we are thinking about an album now.
What would you say is your ultimate goal in music?
Bob Marley is I'm a mentor in many ways, and there's some that I like reach a level there, Yeah, man.
If you had I know you may say Bob Marley because I ask now if you had the opportunity, but Bob is no longer with us.
Yeah.
If you had the opportunity right now to collaborate with one local artist, give me one local artist and one overseas artist, an international and a local. Anybody comes to mind?
Local, well, the people who come to mind would be Black Horror, but them having a thing because that is another group I'm very familiar with, because Puma Jones, the female who singing that group, is my wife. Yeah. To Oro, yeah, man. I was my wife, because she passed. But Ziggy or any of the Marleys, them.
In terms of handling your musical career right now, though, who are some of the people in your corner working with you?
Well, it's really one of my childhood brethren, Ogilvy, one, and Trevor Thompson, who is now playing with the Scatterlights, And so both of them are look about this thing for me.
Boy, it's surprising that you just decide to drop a next song after so long.
It has been, it's not out of wanting, but it just never present itself. Yeah, man.
That's the right time.
Yeah. Just because this song when we do here now, they must say with what's going on with the Russia and Ukraine, it very,
Very timely.
Yeah, it's very timely.
As an elder, you have word for wisdom. Why just in closing, just leave a word of encouragement to the youths them out there today, because the song I speak to them and I speak to what going on in the world, but you give them a word of advice to man.
Yeah, man, youth is just do the right thing and follow your heart and be good in whatever you're doing, because evil will not prevail. Yeah.
Anybody want to big up Ras Joel?
Yeah. Well, my kids, big up my kids, Magalu and Nashin, Sian and Africa, and Jolie. That are the girls, the boy, them are all heap, so I have to, Yeah, so big up my queens, them, hear that. And the boy, I want to know, so we're good all the same. I just,
All right, Ras Joel, respect. Thanks for passing through.
Yeah, my lord.